Hey you guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we're focusing on Module 2, Lesson 2. And yes, we are still measuring, you guys. As a refresher, in our last video, we learned that in order to find the distance between a school, our school, and Miss Turner's house, we might want to use kilometers. It makes the most sense to use kilometers because kilometers measures long distances. We also learned that to measure objects like pencils, paper clips, pen caps, and things like that, it makes the most sense to use centimeters. And we also learned that to measure objects like couches, people, doors, and windows, it makes the most sense to measure or to use meters. Today, you guys, we're going to learn a different type of measurement. Today, we're going to learn about mass. Miss Turner, what is mass? That's a great question. You guys ask the best questions. Mass is the weight of an object. It's how we measure the weight of an object. Mass is the amount of space that an object takes up. So, today we're going to be looking at two different ways that we're going to be measuring mass. The first being grams. Here are some objects that are usually measured in grams: paper clips, dollar bills, feathers, and pieces of candy. What can we infer about grams if we know these items that are used to measure them? In other words, what conclusion can we make about grams? It measures blank objects. Who can fill in that blank for me? It measures blank objects. I'm loving what I'm hearing. I'm loving what I'm seeing. Yeah, it measures light objects. It measures small objects. Either one of those would be fine, but it definitely measures light objects. So if we're measuring an object in grams, it's usually because it's a light object. The other unit of measurement that we're going to focus on today is kilograms. Here are some examples of things that we would use to measure in kilograms: a large dictionary, a person, a watermelon, and a cat. What can we say about kilograms based off of these things that we're measuring? What assumption can we make? What conclusion can we come to? Kilograms measure blank objects. Yeah, absolutely. They measure heavier objects, right? They measure heavier objects that have a heavier or larger mass. So today, you guys, we're going to be focusing on grams and kilograms. We're going to be converting the same way we did in Lesson 1. And as a reminder, in order to do so, you guys, we have to have our handy dandy metric conversion chart. And we're going to be using this chart in order to convert. Remember, every single time we move up a step, we're multiplying by 10. Every time we move down a step, we're dividing by 10. You guys ready for the first problem? Here we go. We're going to be using this conversion chart to fill in our answers. The first one's already done for us. 1 kilogram equals blank grams. They put 1,000. I know this because, you guys, if I'm starting at the bottom step right here, kilograms, and I'm going all the way to grams, which is my orange step, I'm hopping up 1, 2, 3 steps, which means I'm multiplying 10 3 times. 10 times 10 times 10. And we know that equals 1,000. So in order to get from kilograms to grams, I'm multiplying by 1,000. So question, if I'm multiplying by 1,000 to get from kilograms to grams, what if I want to get from grams to kilograms? What would I do? Not quite, so think about it for a second. In order to get from kilograms to grams, I'm multiplying by 1,000. So what would I need to do in order to get from grams to kilograms? I like the way you think. Absolutely, I'm going to be dividing by 1,000. So now that I know this, you guys, let's go ahead and fill in this chart. The first one's already filled in for us, so 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. What about 3 kilograms? 3 kilograms would then equal what? If you're stuck, ask yourself, how many grams are in 1 kilogram? That's right, 1,000 grams are in 1 kilogram. So if I have 3 kilograms and I'm trying to convert to grams, I will be multiplying by what? Absolutely, I will be multiplying by 1,000. 3 times 1,000. What's my product? Good job. Yeah. 3,000. Let's try the next one. In the next problem, they give me grams and I have to find kilograms. So remember, you guys, I'm now going from here to here. So let's think for a second. What do I need to do again? Absolutely, I'm dividing by 1,000. So I have 4,000 and I want to divide by 1,000. What's my answer? 4,000 divided by 1,000. Yeah, absolutely. 4. And now I'm on to my next problem. 17 kilograms equals blank grams. So let's think about this for a second. Remind Miss Turner, how many grams are in 1 kilogram? Good, 1,000. And how many kilograms do I have? Good, 17. So now let's think for a second. What's my product? 17 times 1,000, or 1,000 times 17. Good job, 17,000. Next one, I have 20,000 grams and I want to convert grams to kilograms. 20,000. So I'm going from here to here. What do I need to do again? Absolutely, I'm dividing by 1,000. 20,000 divided by 1,000. What do I have left when I divide 20,000 by 1,000? Absolutely, guys. 20. Here's a little trick. I'm dividing by 1,000, so all I'm doing is taking away 3 zeros because in the number 1,000, there's 3 zeros. So I will be left with 20. And this last one, 300 kilograms equals blank grams. Remind me one more time, how many grams are in 1 kilogram? Good job, 1,000. And how many kilograms do I have right now? Good, 300. So now let's think for a second. 1,000 times 300. What's my product? If you're getting stuck, look at how many zeros you have all together. That's right, you guys, 300,000. A trick is multiply your two numbers together first. 1 times 3 is 3. And then go back in and add your zeros. I have 5 zeros here, so I'm adding in 5 zeros. Let's try this problem together. In this problem, I'm converting the measurements, but it looks a little bit different, you guys. The first one, I have 1 kilogram and 5 grams, and I want to convert all of those measurements to grams. So I have mixed numbers in this problem. So if I look back at my chart, you guys, I know that I want to be able to convert to grams. So I have kilograms right now, and I want to go to grams. So let's think for a second. Can someone remind me? How many steps would I have to take in order to get from kilograms to grams? Yeah, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. And we know that those 3 steps, each time I'm multiplying by 10. So I'm multiplying by 1,000 to get from kilograms all the way to grams. Let's keep that in mind as we're working. I want to convert both of these to grams. 500 grams is already in the same form that it's supposed to be converted to. So we're going to leave that one alone. Instead, let's focus on kilograms. We said that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So that means instead of saying 1 kilogram, I can actually rewrite this number as 1,000 grams, and then I would still have 500 grams. What's 1,000 plus 500? You guys are so smart. Absolutely, 1,500. Let's try this one. We're catching on. As a reminder, you guys, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. And here I have 17 kilograms, 84 grams. And I want to convert both of these to grams. Do I need to do anything with 84 grams? Do I need to convert 84 grams? No, we're going to leave that alone because it's already in the form that we're supposed to be converting to. Instead, let's focus on 17 kilograms. Well, I know that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So how many grams are in 17 kilograms? Yeah, 17,000 grams. So that means we can rewrite 17 kilograms as 17,000 grams. And I still have 84 grams. What's my sum? 17,000 plus 84. Oh, you guys are so smart. Yeah, 17,084. All right, you guys, this is our last problem that we're going to do together. In this problem, here's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to forget about this top problem, and I only want you guys to focus on B and C. I want you to pause your computer, pause the video, and I want you to use your chart in order to help you solve these problems. Then, when you're done, come back and see if you did the problem just like Miss Turner. All right, you guys, welcome back. So, in this problem, I have 16 kilograms plus 2,800 grams, and I'm converting both of them to grams. Did you do anything with 2,800? Yeah, me neither. Did you do anything to 16 kilograms? I did too. I did too, you guys. I had to convert it because I know that kilograms is not the same unit of measurement as grams. So what did you do first to figure out how many kilograms or how many grams are in 16 kilograms? What's the first thing you did? I did the same thing. I know that in 1 kilogram, and I'm going to rewrite that, you guys. I know that in 1 kilogram, there's 1,000 grams. So in 16 kilograms, how many grams did you say there were? Me too, 16,000. So that means I can rewrite 16 kilograms as 16,000 grams. And then I still have 2,800. What did you get when you added 16,000 and 2,800? I got the same thing, 18,800 grams. And for this one, the same thing, you guys. I'm converting this time to grams. 4 kilograms, 229 grams, minus 355 grams equals blank grams. I'm not doing anything with these numbers because they're already in the correct form for their measurement. Instead, I need to convert kilograms to grams. Remember, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So, how many grams are in 4 kilograms? Yeah, easy peasy. 4,000. So now I have 4,000 grams plus 229 grams minus 355 grams. When I combine 4,000 and 229, I have 4,229 minus 355. And what did you get when you subtracted those? What was your difference? I got the same thing, you guys. 3,874. Here's a challenge one. Try this on your own. And I want you to take a picture and send it to Miss Turner. If you do, there might be some extra credit in your future. Until next time.